Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal with another rendition of Thoughts from the Sauna. It seems to be like my place where I can clear my head, get my thoughts together, and just basically speak freely and from my heart and my mind. Um, a couple people were asking me, like, do you make money from YouTube? Yeah, I make money from YouTube. But it's not like the traditional way. It's like people make videos on YouTube on how to make money on YouTube, making videos about how to make money on YouTube. Crazy, but if you watch a lot of those videos, that's all they are. Their substance is about those guys making money. I make money a bunch of different ways. Through Amazon affiliate marketing. You click on one of my links. I make a couple cents on whatever product it is. But I don't do that to make money as much as I just do that to show you like a product that helps. I'm not endorsed by anybody, but I'm only going to endorse stuff that I use that I think is great. And you can see from my videos that I use everything, and a lot of it is, I don't want to say abused, but it is used. I mean, it's used in every single video that I make, the stuff that I use on a daily basis, tools or what have you. So my best suggestion is if you help people and you're genuine about it, you're going to make money at whatever it is. And you got to keep in mind there has to be an even exchange of, money to services, to money. And what I mean by that is you don't want to give something away for free. As much as that, the delusion of that makes people feel good and everything else, it truly is. But at the same time, if you give something away, it should manifest something back to you. And that shouldn't be like your primary goal of making money. It should be to help people. And with all my videos, I'm making money on YouTube now, and to my surprise, I'm making like a decent amount of money on YouTube. And the reason why is because I help people like you guys out there through, car repair, appliance repair, inventing things. I find a better way of doing something. I found a better way of fixing something. That's my niche. That's my market. But when me and my wife opened Garage Mahal, it was basically to help people. It wasn't primarily just to help us. I told her early on, I was like, I want to help people, primarily like single moms, single mothers out there that just like they need a good, safe, reliable transportation. And like I don't do those repairs for free, but I do it cheaper than a lot of other guys. And the reason being is I just want to give back. That's primarily the main thing. I have to collect money because that's one of the laws of the universe. It's I don't know if it's Einstein's relativity theory, but matter you can't destroy. It just turns into a different form of something. So that's why you can't give stuff away for really free. I mean, you have to make money. It's one of the laws of the universe. Laws of attraction. If you give something away, obviously you don't expect to get it back, but you are in one form or another going to get that back. But that's not the primary motivation. I was trained as a teacher, and I think that is the simplest way to make money anywhere. And it's not about making the money, but it's about helping people. And in that process, you'll make money. And I think that's a concept that a lot of people misunderstand. If you come from a lack of money, money's the only thing that you can think of. But believe me, if you stop thinking about money, it'll actually come to you. And I know that sounds weird and kind of like hocus pocusy, but trust me, that's how it works. If you genuinely help people, the money will follow. If you're passionate about something, the money will follow. I mean, that is so true. I can't even begin to tell you. But your main objective shouldn't be to make money. You want to make a living. You don't want to make money. It's a lot of contradictory and, walking a thin line on everything. But trust me, if you help people and you're genuine about it, you will make money. Your needs will be fulfilled. Anyway, that's my thought of the day. This video runs a lot longer than I wanted it to. I think it's a very important subject on how to make money on YouTube. If you watch a lot of my videos, I try to make them about quality, about helping people. So that should be your goal. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Be safe out there. It's a crazy world right now. Thanks.